And good morning, Math Masters, you fabulous fourth graders of Virtual Room 502. We need to get out page, what page is that? Page 99 from our problem set. So it's page 99, and this is, I'll get a little light on the matter here. There we go. Lesson 31, problem set, module 3, grade 4. So there we have it. And today's date is 01 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 21. There we have it. Let's get going and see what's what. Read our first one. Draw a tape diagram and solve. The first two tape diagrams have been drawn for you. How nice. Identify if the group size or the number of groups is unknown. Okay, so let's figure this out. You can read the first one. Monique needs exactly 4 plates on each table for the banquet. So she's in charge of a banquet. I'm going to circle that number 4. That's going to come into play. If she has 312 plates, I'll circle that. How many tables is she able to prepare? That's what we need to know. How many tables is she able to prepare? So as we can see here, we don't know the number of groups. We have a 4 from the 312. What we don't know is how many tables. We're putting 4 plates on each table. So we got to do a little division. We're going to take the 312 and we'll divide it by 4. And let's get started. Okay, remember, taking that 300, we can't divide it by the 4. There's going to be a remainder. So we put the old x over there. And now we have to divide 31 by 4. We're at 31 by 4. Let's go ahead and make 31 little place value disk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I say 31? 4, I'm going to say 31. There's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's 31. Okay, just do a visual demonstration of 31 or 310 divided by 4. So how many groups of 4 do we have? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 groups of 4. 4 times 7. What does that equal? Well, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So now I can go, okay, 4 times 7 equals 28, or in this case, it's 4 times 70 equals 280, because remember, we'd have a 0 there and we'd have a 0 there. Time to subtract a little bit. I can't take 8 away from 1, so this is going to become a 2, and this will become an 11. Right? We bring 10 tens over to make that 110. 110 minus 80 is 30. And then we subtract here and it's 0. I could put a 0 there if I want. What the heck? It's not going to hurt anybody. And let's bring down the 2. Boo! And then we have a 2. All right, so we looked over here and this was 31. What if I just did, okay, 32. How many groups of 4 do I have now? It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 times 8. I'll put it right down here. Equals what? 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There we have it. We subtract. Put the 8 up here. 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract. We have 0, 0. Looks like there's no remainder. And we could say she, Monique, will be able to set how many tables? 72 tables, because each table has 4 plates. Oh, whoops, tables, exclamation point. I don't know why I put an exclamation point there. Maybe I'm just so excited because we got the right answer. But did we get the right answer? Let's do a little double check with the old multiplication. I'm going to take the quotient and multiply by the divisor, which in turn should equal the dividend of 312. 8 times 4, we know the answer to that, 32. Bring my 3 tens up there. 7 tens times 4 is 280, plus the 3, 290, 300, 310 And there we have it, 312, 312, 312. We know the answer is correct. Okay, we're going to do another problem, and then we'll take a little break. Let's read this. 2,365 books were donated to an elementary school. That's a lot of books. Mrs. Evans would like having all those books. If 5 classrooms shared the books equally, I'm going to circle 5. How many books did each class receive? Okay, so how many books? Here we don't know the size of the group. We don't know the size of each group. We know there's 5 groups, but we don't know the size, right? So we got to figure that out. Let's go ahead and set up our standard algorithm. And we'll go 2,365 is our dividend, and our divisor is 5, right? 1 class, 2 class, 3 class, 4 class, 5 class. So let's set up our problem like this. All right, this is kind of a fun one because 5s are easy to multiply and divide, are easier. Can't deal with this 2 here, so we're going to put an X on top. I can't squeeze that 5 into the 2, the 2,000s. We'd have remainders. So I have 2,300s are 2,300s. Let's count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's more than 23. Bring it back. 5 times 4. So I know 5 times 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20. Time to subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, what do I do now? Well, I've already taken up that space. We go 1 letter above each digit there, or an X in that case. So we got to bring down the 6. How many 5s will fit into 36, or in this case, 360? Let's do the math. I'll make little tally marks here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I go 1 more to be 40, so it's 35. 5 times 7 is 35. Time, once again, to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. What do I do now? Well, I got to go all the way up here, right? Because I still have a space right there. We got to figure that what that is going to be. I bring the 5 all the way down. And what am I left with? I'm left with 15 ones. Okay, let's do the math there. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. We subtract 0, 0. So it looks like each class will get 473 books. Let's go ahead and double check. I'm taking the quotient, the answer, and multiplying it by the divisor, 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring up the 1. 7 times 5. We already know the answer there. It's right. Where did it go? 35. Plus 1 is 36. Look at that, 36. My 3 goes up here. 4 times 5 is 20, but add on 3. What do we get? 23. And we get the dividend. It's all good, right? 2,365, 2,365. So we can say we didn't draw, Eureka Math drew for us, but we can say each class receives I before E except after C, 473 books. So we didn't know the size of each group, but now we know that each one of these is 473, and that would equal 2,365. So go ahead and take a little break now, grab a drink of water, get a bite to eat, a little snack. Tell mom and dad you love them. Pet the dog, feed the cat, run around the house once, do some jumping jacks, and come on back soon.